All right, more vocabulary. Please write these down in your notebook so you can refer to them often. You're going to need them for the whole school year or the whole algebra class. So, independent variable, you want to always remember that is your x value and your input, and you can maybe remember that because independent and input both start with in, and you need to remember that is first, the x value in the ordered pair. And with your independent variable or your x values comes the domain. It's the set of all possible inputs. It's the set of all possible independent variables. It's the set of all x's. Those are all the same thing. X's, independent variable, inputs, domain. These go together. Now we have the dependent variable, the y, the output. This value depends on the independent value, okay? So the y value is depending on what the x value is. So you want to remember that the dependent variable, the y, the output, goes with range. Range is the set of all possible y values. So you'll need to remember what domain and range mean, and that domain is the set of all possible x's, and the range is a set of all possible y's. So let's look at an example. For example, when asked for the domain and range of this function, -2,5, -1,8, 0,6, you need to list the x and y values. So for domain, you're looking at your x's, your inputs. So you have -2, -1. Should say 0. There's a little mistake. -2, -1, 0. Then for the range, we have 5, 8, 6. So you're just listing in this function, the domain is the set of all possible x's, and you list them with commas. And for the range, it's the set of all possible y's or outputs, and you list them with commas. Easy peasy.